Yabona uSipho Mbule, he is a perfect example yokuthi ayikho idustbin yokulahla umuntu. Ayikho idustbin yokulahla. There's no dustbin for a brother. Sipho Mbule, yabona i-comeback kaSipho Mbule needs to be studied at University of Mang Mang. Kumele ifakwe kwisyllabus i-comeback yalo muntu. Akusunoma ubani okwazi ukubuya. Akusunoma ubani okwazi. Maningi kakhulu ama-talent eSouth Africa asilahlekele. There was this other winger that played for Ibaroka, if I'm not mistaken, about Masibusane Zong. That guy could have easily become one of the best wingers SA has ever produced. Ibe imnandi liya out there. But ngenxa yezimo zomhlaba waduka asazi waphelelaphi. Mbule could have easily fallen onto that trap now because naye angazi bese kwenzakalani eliyeveni yakhe. But ke ngenhlanhla wabuye. We have to give uBab Khoza i-credit for ukuthatha i-risk yokuthi no ngizomthatha umfana mina lapha eSundowns. Ngizomthatha umfana ngimlethe esigodini. And ukuza kwakhe esigodini kuyi-resurrectile i-career yakhe. Oyi lo mfolo umalume lona. Lapha esiswini umalume lona. Lo umalume lo bafana. Khona lentwana ayiqedi, lentwana yeNigeria ayiqedile lapha ku touchline. Wathi va. Maqeda wanika unkotha bekathi ushaya irun. Amkapa. Bekahambile. Lo umalume lo bafana. To think ukuthi we almost lost him. And this guy una 27 years old. He's at the prime of his career. Lo muntu lana he still has a good 6 years playing ibhola. Top level football. A good 6 years. Uma eyiphatha kahle. And we almost lost him. Hayi suka. Hayi mara le star. Mangabe uyalazi mangabe umnandi ayikho into esingayenza. You have to admit, you have to give credit.